Hello, my loves. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys a perfect, simple Valentine's Day makeup routine that you can do this season to spice up your look. This is perfect if you don't know how to do too much when it comes to makeup, but you still want to look festive, you still want to look good, you know what I'm saying? You want to This is the video for you, okay? Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I look very rough right now, but we're gonna get it together, I promise. But before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know I will have all products used in today's video linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check those links down below. But let's go ahead and get straight into it, girl. We're going to start off with skin prep. So the first product we're going to use is this Flawless Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Perfecting Cream. I have really been enjoying this cream, especially paired with their new foundation, which we'll also be using in a few. This cream is so hydrating. It's non-comedogenic. It's fragrance-free. It's oil-free. So I'm going to take a little scoop, just a little bit, not too much, and distribute that across my face. Prior to sitting down to film this video, I also did my morning skincare routine, so that also helps to prep my skin for makeup, but just a little bit more moisturizer. I believe that brands formulate their products to be paired together, so every time I use that Flawless foundation, I will be using this Flawless cream. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer, I don't think I could ever go without her. This has a nice sticky consistency. So the Flawless facial cream was more so to help hydrate the skin underneath. And this Hydro Grip is more of a grippy, tacky base for our makeup. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Flawless Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Foundation. I recently received this foundation and gave you guys a full review and wear test. So make sure you guys check that video out. I'll link it up above and down below. But I'm in the shade 24D. I'm going to take a pump and a half-ish. I'm using about a pump and a half of this foundation, and I'm using the Flawless foundation brush to blend this into my skin. Like, y'all have to try this foundation. Y'all have to. Y'all have to. I don't know if I'm going to be able to come off this foundation. Y'all going to have to peel me off of her because the coverage is too good. The blend, too good. Like, hello? Like, look at this foundation, y'all. Like, nobody at all can sit here and say, this is not my skin. For concealer, I'm going to mix these two shades of the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer. I have the shade 34.5N and the shade 35N. So I'm starting off with 35N, which is just a tad bit darker. And I'm going to apply this to the outskirts of our highlight areas. And then I'm taking 34.5N and I'm going to put a little bit on the center of our highlight areas. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. I'm using this sponge from Amazon to blend all of the concealer out. Like, literally blends like a dream. Hello? Hello? And this concealer is only like 15 cash from Sephora collection. Y'all better get up on it. Y'all better get up on it. For blush, I'm going to use this Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint in the shade Chill. I've been loving to use this as my blush. You can use this product wherever you want, on your eyelids, on your cheeks, on your lips, girl. So I'm going to take a little bit on this brush and plop that onto my cheeks to just add. Y'all see how that just woke the face up? Like, woke it up. If y'all are not wearing blush, baby, let this be your sign to start wearing. I feel like this blush is super beginner friendly because it's easy to work in and build, especially when you use it on a nice dense brush like this one. And this brush is from Milk Makeup as well. Look at that. Look at that. cute. So now that all of my liquids are blended, I'm gonna go ahead and set using my LYS setting spray. You guys put me onto the setting spray and baby, I have not been able to put her down. You wanna make sure you set your liquids before you apply your powders, just to help with the longevity of the wear of your makeup and also the blendability of your makeup as well. Oh, you guys see how, if y'all are not setting in between your steps, let this be your reminder to do so. So we're gonna start setting with powders. First off, I'm using my One Size setting powder in the shade Marigold. Picking up my setting powder on a triangle puff, dabbing off the excess on the back of my hand, pressing what's left onto the areas where we apply concealer. We're gonna add some dimension to the face using some bronzer. This is the Sephora Collection bronzer in the shade Ibiza. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my liquid blush using some powder blush. This is the Dior blush in the shade 001. So beautiful and blends so well. For brows, I'm starting off using this Ardell brow glue. I've literally been obsessed with this brow glue. The hold on this brow glue is a hold that I hope to have on somebody's son one day, okay? This is an applicator, and I just like to brush my brow hairs upwards and towards the outside of my face. And then I like to let this dry for a bit. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows using this Amicole brow pencil in the shade 1B. So brows are on and cleaned up. Now I'm gonna take some of my bronzer to use as an eyeshadow. I kind of want like a neutral brown eyelid, so bronzer is my go-to when I want that look. I'm telling you guys, this is a simple look you can throw on for Valentine's Day and look absolutely stunning. I mean, you always look stunning, but like, y'all know what I'm saying. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set again using my LYS Natural Finish Skin Loyalty Makeup Setting Spray. This time, we're gonna double it up. We're also setting with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This plus that. Oh, baby. And if y'all think we're done, I don't play when it comes to setting spray. My makeup is lasting all day and all night. And I kind of wanted to commit to a cat eye, but I feel like that may be too much for me right now. So I'm just going to do a little bit of tight lining, maybe a little wing. We don't know. But this is the Covergirl Perfect Point Plus Lash Line. If you guys are new at eyeliner, tight lining, this is a product for you. It's like a nice, stable consistency. It's not too waxy. I absolutely love this stuff right here. So I'm starting off by lining my waterline. You guys see how that kind of like closed off my eye a little bit? I love that. And then I'm gonna do a little liner at the top. I can't speak and do this, so y'all can just watch me. Ooh, suki now. A little wing action, nothing too crazy. But still, you know, still giving the girls a little cat action. But baby, wait till I throw the lash. Please hold. Please hold. Lash prep, I'm starting with my Lancome Seals Booster Mascara Base. And then I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup Kush High Roll Mascara. Lashes on fleek. The The I let that dry down for a little bit. This lash combo has been doing it for me. But since, you know, we're going for a Valentine's Day look, we taking things up to the top notch. We're going to throw on a pair of lashes. I popped on a pair of lashes from House of Lashes. Oh, we look good. We look good. We look good. We look good. But the last step, which is going to be the grand entrance, is the lip combination. We are doing a black owned lip combo today. So the lip liner I'm using is the Ami Collet soft shape lip liner in the shade Midnight. And then I'm gonna throw on my Lip Bar liquid lipstick in the shade Boss Lady. Just wait to see the magic. Wait to see it. Wait to see it. So here is the final makeup look. It came out so good. This makeup look is perfect for Valentine's Day, and I will be popping her out for one of my Valentine's Day festivities. But I had to share this makeup look with you guys so you guys can draw some inspiration. In case you guys are a simple makeup girly and you guys are like, I want to look festive, I want to look good, baby. Quick, easy, and you're gonna look good, okay? So as mentioned earlier, all products used in today's video will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys shop the links down below. Baby, you can look this good for Valentine's Day too, okay? I absolutely am obsessed. Comment and let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. Will you guys be trying it? Comment down below and let me know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.